Come here. Come here. Do you remember me?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Do you remember me?
Oh, look at her. Oh.
Does it smell different?
Oh.
I don't know if she knows what to do.
Oh. What do you think,
Come here.
CJ?
Come here.
Go see Justin.
Come here.
Oh my goodness. Just got
Gotta smell it.
him. Oh.
Right.
Oh.
How's she look?
Good.
Did we take care of her?
Mm-hmm. And she's up be all for you guys instead of me.
She's gonna what?
Want to stay with you guys instead of me.
Nah, she's your dog. So how are you, Justin?
Tired? Cool.
So how you been?
Good. You?
Oh,
How's
okay.
the drive? Good?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
fine.
yeah, it was alright.
Yeah.
It was alright.
Pretty quick though.
Yeah.
It's long.
Yeah, second day's a long day.